how to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
Repair damaged skin. Close large open brows and remove dark spots, hyperpigmentation with potato. Hi friends, in this video I will share with you how to make potato toner. Take one potato peeler skin and cut it into small cubes. Then, put them in a mixer jar. Mix it to make potato paste. When you have the first squeeze of the juice, add 4 teaspoons of rose water. Put it in a spray bottle. Oh, toner is ready to use. Woody Tattoos does wonders for sunburned skin. Spray some rose over the skin. You will get cooling and smoothing effect right after the application. It's an effective anti-aging beauty agent to rid of fine lines and wrinkles. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends. Oh, and please subscribe and thumbs up.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.